Hey family, welcome back to my channel.
Let's start that over.
Cut. No, they fine. It is what it is. Anyway, cut. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Jay, everything DIY, fashion, and business. Today we are doing things a little different. Maya is here. She's not recording today, being behind the camera. She's gonna be in today's video. For you, for those who don't know who Maya is my sister / my assistant for my business, and she is pretty much going through the journey with me on everything with my business. And I just hate recording by myself and talking to myself all the time, so I like that I can like engage with someone. Not saying you guys don't engage with me, but
I keep it spicy, basically. That's what she said. It's okay. But anyways, you may proceed.
Anyway, so today's video, as you can see from the title, I got some new goodies in. So we just got these in like yesterday, and then the other one came the day before yesterday, and I have not looked at them. I know what they is, but I have not took a look at them. My sister took a sneak peek, but we're gonna look at the new Crocs and the new planners together. So all of these should be on the site by next week. I'm gonna aim for Wednesday that everything will be on the site for these. So please turn those post notifications on and stay ready so you don't have to get ready, period. Okay, so Wednesday these items will be on the site for you guys to shop. Make sure you follow my Instagram, bougie_pieces, and that's where I notify you guys when things will be on the site. So what should we do first? Crocs or planners?
Do these.
Crocs. Okay.
Little Crocs first.
And for you.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so we got some luxury Jibbitz.
These letters with the dash.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
that's cute.
Put it on the neckline, the marinade.
So I'm gonna try my best to show you guys how they look, cause you know they be in these bags. But I got the luxury Jibbitz, so for those who don't wanna always make their own, I got some luxury ones. Ooh.
Know what these look like?
Which way the camera is?
What you mean? Like partially, is it the this right there?
Oh, okay. So I can know where to point the Jibbitz. So we got that one. This one.
Can I see?
And then we got...
Ooh, that like your brooch. Let me see that. What's that? An emerald green?
This big. This a Jibbitz. Like these go on your Crocs, you guys. They went all out.
That'd be spicy with some lavender Crocs.
Ooh, look at this one.
What's that?
We got like some, like a rhinestone.
Supposed to be big. Double. But these remind me, these the dazzle letters. These are like,
Oh, they got like a New York sign for my New York customers.
can I see it? No matter my hands, they ask you.
Ooh, that's cute. Look at this for like New York Yankees. That's what be like on the cap. Or you think it'd be easy to turn the camera around and then record that way?
But the thing is, how you supposed to know what you showing? I think it's fine. I think you just throw away the.
Y'all, look at this big bag. This big bag full of stuff.
This one is too.
I would not be able to go through this.
This video gonna be long as hell. What's that? N for what?
These letters.
It's just one letter. And it's for nails. Oh, they got a 5-star chick.
I got a guitar.
Yeah, this is a lot of stuff. We ain't gonna be able to go through all this. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Look at the boat.
Roll, y'all. They got that one in black.
Oh, it's an H. They gave me some extra stuff. And what all this?
What's all these stars? Everybody thinking they a 5-star chick?
Yeah, they gave me. Okay, these the ones I love.
You think I know how to do this motherfucker at the time lapse. I'm have to go fast.
Look at these.
Quick, think that.
These are cute.
Yes, me. I don't think I can see those. 5 little mama, you a 3-star.
Yeah, those are cute.
Ooh.
Let's see. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna plan this out because this is a lot. I don't know. I'm just gonna turn the camera around and just show them what's inside the box.
Like instead of showing them all individually.
Yeah, cause
I mean, I think it's just this.
my arm. It's not hers.
That's it. That's your exercise for today. Look at this one. This is cute.
Oh, that's cute. Look, it's another emerald one, like a diamond one, but it's a different shape.
What's in all these insects?
It's like a cushion.
All these bugs. Got a cactus.
It's like all these just like. Oh, look at these. Some flowers. Yeah, y'all.
These players.
Y'all gonna have to stay tuned.
Gotta put the hater blockers on.
It's sunglasses.
Gotta put the hater blockers on.
They showed all out for these Crocs. Okay, you guys. So I'm about to.
Oh, look at these. These giving me some.
Oh, I like
They
those
snap.
better.
They snap. These giving me
Those
the wine. Wait, lady.
Those are too cute. I'm about to design me some Crocs now because these are too cute. Okay, you guys. So for this one, I'm just gonna turn the camera around.
What is about the wall?
Because it's gonna be much easier. Okay, guys, we turned the camera around. This is gonna be much easier. So these we got like different shades of brown. It's supposed to be like different shades of brown, like black empowerment hearts.
The melanin.
We got Black Lives Matter Jibbitz. I really like those. Those are nice. Another Black Lives Matter, but black and white. Ooh, Black Girl Magic, and it look like Martin theme. That's cute.
But this is my favorite quote. My favorite.
What is it? Unapologetic. Ooh, these are cute.
You see the drip? Okay.
Don't play. Okay. And then we got some more luxury Jibbitz. These will be great for guys. So we can't leave the fellas out. So I intentionally made sure I got stuff that was unisex this time. So the guy, because you know guys wear Crocs too. So I definitely made sure I got some unisex Jibbitz so the guys can get some for their Crocs. So we got the long one. We got the gym shoe. Look at that. That is too cute. Oh, look at this. The guys gonna eat this up right here. Cause you know they like their cars. Period. These gonna be nice for the guys. You see how nice this, like this could be for men or women, you know? You can't leave the fellas out. Even the young boys, even like the young boys that wear Crocs. You can put it on theirs too. Ooh.
Okay, they just now.
Ooh, HBCUs matter. This is nice. Then I got this for like my people who like to travel. I got a little suitcase.
I don't really care about the money.
Ooh, this would be too cute on like some lime green ones. For my LGBTQ family.
If you're getting married.
If you're getting married, bride to be. This was my favorite. When I seen this, I was like, oh, yes, I need this. Black Girl Magic. Y'all know I love Black Girl Magic. That is cute.
What the fuck?
Look! Oh my goodness! This is so cute with the red lipstick. What? Oh, Proud Family!
Got our reaction. Penny Proud.
I didn't know if you was coughing or having a seizure. Look at Penny Proud. Ooh, this. Oh yes, I'm taking me some of these. I am taking me some of these. Don't play with her, okay? This ain't made with Madeline. Always popping. That's cute. I like the brown. Then just some cute regular flowers. Oh, so thirsty.
Hey, like a horse.
Ooh, a lollipop. Oh, I got these for the kids. That's why I got those.
Just do it.
Just do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. I guess this is supposed to be like Africa or something like that. And then I got one for the little girl. Little black queen, brown skin girl. That's what I thought of when I seen these. I was like, I need this for the little girl. And I got some for the little prince, okay? My little black boy Joy. Can't forget about my princes out there, okay? Can't forget about my young boys. I'm going to make my baby some. I'm going to make Ethan some and you some. And I'm going to get them some. So make sure y'all make y'all boys some. This going to look nice. Black Lives Matter, period. Black Lives Matter over here. Black Excellence. This is nice. These will look really good on black Crocs. Oh, look at these fro pics. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm so pro-black, okay? Look at the girl with the dress. Lavanya probably love this.
That look like her, too.
And then we got another shades of brown.
You got a boo-boo.
This is for the nurses. Is there some more? I thought I bought like a couple of other ones. But I got like some nurse sets. Anyways, nurses. What's this? Oh, another girl with a fro. Nah, a black woman with a fro. What we got next? Ooh, Coca-Cola lovers. Cute. Another black empowerment. Black Lives Matter. Some shoes.
Some more shoes.
Some more shoes.
You got the keys.
Oh yeah, like the Egyptian. Ooh, for my Apple lovers. So I intentionally got this. So, and I got a hashtag to go with it. You see the hashtag? Okay, so look, this is my thought, y'all. I got hashtag bougie babe. Because, you know, I called y'all my bougie family. So, I got hashtag BB. So, you can put it on your Croc, hashtag BB. And it'd be hashtag bougie babe. Comment below if you think I should hook some, if I should make some Crocs. Because I'm thinking about designing a couple of pairs so y'all can see my style, how I do it, how I put my stuff together.
You got a nurse stuff.
Okay, here's another one of the nurse stuff with the scrub. And then I got the Band-Aid. Ooh, Benzo. This would be cute for my people who love jeans and period up. Oh, see, this is what I'm seeing. This would be great for the guys. Some more Supreme, but in black.
Candy.
This is for the kiddos.
Well, my name is Susie.
Oh, look at Susie some rose.
Know your butter.
Spicy. Spicy. Look, I went crazy, y'all. Black Lives Matter. Ooh, look at this Porsche. Ooh, this is nice. Oh yeah, I got some ideas to my little girls. And I got this so you can mix it up with the designer, you know, because, you know, kids don't care about all that designer stuff. So switch their stuff up between stuff like this and the designer. And that'd be super cute. And get them nice little rhinestones. Love is love, another LGBTQ. Look at these. Flex on them. Flex on them. Oh, my sister got some shoes with this on here. So that'd be cute. Ooh, another one. Y'all, I went crazy, didn't I? Ooh, for my coffee drinkers. Yes. What this say? Oh, okay. In yellow. This is for my earthy people. I tried to get the... Oh, snap. Oh, snap. I went crazy. Look at the elephant. My Delta girls. I know y'all gonna go crazy. I did that, didn't I? I did that. Comment below if I did that. I'm excited. And this is Zeta. Ooh, I gotta get my sister the sorority.
Just left us hanging. She ain't right, y'all. She was just ain't right.
I'm
just
sorry.
Ain't right.
I didn't see it. AKAs.
But don't get no stimmy in her house. I ain't trying to throw they stuff like this. But I gonna be like, damn. I think this
for a guy though.
That's not no. That's like the ones that be in the band. Those the band ones. Those ain't like no.
Cause I thought that was that with the thing.
Their colors is purple.
Oh yeah. You right. Okay, you guys, that is it. First of all, why the hell is a beer? This he put my shit in a damn beer can. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am super excited about these Jibbitz. They turned out to be way better than what I thought they was gonna be. Like, they look really nice and they really good quality. Like I said, I'm super excited about this. Once I sort everything out, I plan on offering this for my wholesale customers and my personal regular customers. So please keep an eye out, and everything should be ready by Wednesday. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite Jibbit. Which one out of all these styles was your favorite? Let me know. And yeah, I can't wait to see what you guys think about these new Jibbitz. I think they're pretty dope, and I have more coming. So I'm gonna see how these gonna do, and then I'm gonna be ordering more, because it was a couple of more other styles that I wanted to try. And then also, I only ordered a little bit of each style because I didn't want to get too much, and I'd be disappointed with the quality. So I only ordered a little bit of each style. So next time I order, it's going to be way more and enough for everybody. So if it sell out before you get it, don't worry, because I'm going to come back with some more heat like always. But you got anything to say? But that is it for this video. Like always, thank you so much for tuning in, joining and watching and supporting me. Like always, thank you guys for meeting me on the channel. Bye.